Feeling like school is always chaotic? Homework, assignments, and exams seem to come at you from every direction, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. But staying organized doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. With a few simple habits, you can keep track of everything, study smarter, and actually feel in control. Make a timetable. A good timetable is your best friend when it comes to staying organized. But it's not about filling every hour with study. It's about planning in a way that actually works for you. Start by listing your school hours, extracurriculars, and fixed activities. Then, block out time for 2-3 subjects each day, giving each subject a realistic amount of time, like 45 to 60 minutes. Include small breaks so your brain doesn't get tired. For example, you could study math for an hour, take a 10-minute break, then do science for another hour. Writing down what to study and when helps you stay focused and avoids last-minute panic. A timetable is not meant to stress you. It's there to make your study time easier and more productive. Make a realistic routine. A timetable is great, but it only works if your daily routine matches it. Don't plan 10 hours of study if you know you'll be too tired after school. Instead, create a routine that fits your energy. For instance, start with a short break after school, then do easier homework, followed by tougher subjects. Doing the same routine every day trains your brain to know what's coming, so you feel less lazy and more in control. Even small routines make a big difference. Following a routine works more than only studying when you have motivation. Try to stick to it for a week and see how much smoother your day feels. And with time, you will get used to it. Do assignments the day they're given. One of the biggest reasons students feel overwhelmed is delaying assignments. The smart way to handle this is to start your homework the day it's given. Even spending 10 to 15 minutes on it helps you stay ahead. For example, if your teacher gives a history assignment in class, start by writing down the main points or organizing your notes right away. When you wait until the last day, the work feels huge and stressful. Starting early keeps you ahead without extra effort. It doesn't need to be perfect, but when you have a rough base, you can improve it later on the next day. Set a fixed homework time. Homework should have a designated time every day, like a mini school period at home. Choose a time when you are alert and not too tired. For many students, early evening works best. Once your homework time begins, focus only on work. No phone, no chatting, no distractions. You'll notice that tasks finish faster and feel less tiring because your brain knows it's time to work. Consistency here is key. Think about all the free time you will have after your homework gets done, and then you can do anything without guilt. Do a short review at the end of the day. End your day by spending 5 to 10 minutes reviewing what you studied. This doesn't mean starting a full study session again. Just glance over notes, summaries, or your revision notebook. This helps your brain remember things better and shows what topics need more attention. Doing this daily reduces exam stress because nothing surprises you. It's a small habit that pays off big time. This way, when the exams come near you, we'll have an idea of the topics already. Over time, you'll notice that remembering information becomes easier and revising takes much less effort. Use a homework folder. Loose papers can ruin your organization. Worksheets, handouts, or assignments often get lost in backpacks. That's why a homework folder is essential. Keep all your work for school in one folder and label it clearly. Every day, place any new assignments or handouts inside immediately. At the end of the week, remove completed work. Make 2 folders, one for assignments you have done and the other one for the one that are not done. This simple habit prevents panic when teachers ask for work and keeps everything in one place. Apply the 2-minute rule. This is a tiny trick that makes a huge difference. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. For example, writing your homework in your notebook, organizing your pens, or putting books back in the right place. Most small tasks seem bigger because we keep delaying them. Doing them right away keeps your study area and to-do list clean and prevents small problems from piling up into big ones. Try to make it a habit for everything small, even little chores. Soon, you'll notice your day feels smoother and more in control. Keep your study area clean. A messy study space makes it harder to focus. You spend time searching for pens, notebooks, or worksheets instead of studying. Keep only school-related items on your desk like books, notebooks, and stationery. Remove snacks, toys, or random items. Every evening, spend 5 minutes resetting your area. Arrange notebooks, throw away trash, and tidy up. Keep your distractions away from your study space. You can also keep your favorite quotes or small motivational items to stay inspired while studying. A clean and organized space makes your mind calmer, helps you focus better, and makes studying feel much easier and more productive. Keep a revision notebook. A revision notebook isn't like your normal notes, it's just for the really important stuff you keep forgetting. For example, if you always mix up some English grammar rules, write them here. You can also put tricky math formulas, science definitions, or key points from history. Then when exams are near, you don't have to flip through all your books. You just grab this notebook and revise quickly. Keep it simple, with short sentences and easy words. This little notebook can save so much time and actually make remembering things way easier. After a while, you'll see that recalling stuff becomes almost automatic. Pack your bag every night. Mornings can be such a rush if your bag isn't ready, right? A simple fix is to pack everything the night before. Check your timetable and put in only the books and notebooks you'll need the next day. Don't forget your pencil case, homework, and any other small things you might need, like pads or a safety pin. Doing this every night means no last-minute panic, no forgetting homework, and a much calmer morning. Trust me, starting your day prepared makes everything feel easier. It's okay not to be perfect every day. One important thing to remember is that staying organized doesn't mean you have to be perfect all the time. Some days homework might take longer, or you might forget a task, and that's totally okay. The key is to get back on track the next day, instead of getting frustrated. Being consistent matters more than being perfect. And don't forget to reward yourself at the end of the week with a comfort movie, your favorite snack, or any fun activity you were delaying the whole week because of exams or homework. The key to staying organized is building small, realistic habits that fit your life. A timetable, a homework folder, clean study space, fixed routines, and daily reviews all work together. You don't have to be perfect, just consistent. If you start today, even one habit at a time, you'll notice a big change in how organized and confident you feel. School doesn't have to feel like a mess. You can take control, stay organized, and feel on top of everything every day. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share this video with a friend who is also struggling to stay organized, and subscribe for more helpful content like this. See you in the next video. Bye!